Hey guys, Greenbird here. I hope everyone's doing awesome. Sorry about the noise. My furnace just kicked on. I just got a box in the mail and I wanted to open up this together. This is going to be a box of rainbow obsidian that I got from somebody that I buy a fair amount of obsidian from. I don't know for sure. I could be confused, but I believe this is the first box of spalls of rainbow obsidian that I've had in the past. I'd have to go through my videos really to see. I could be wrong, but I'm going to go ahead and open this up. This is always... Oh, wait a minute. Hold on a second here. I had a request a while back. Like I never do it, but I will this time. I do. That was a joke, but this person recommended that I open the box with a chunk of flint, so that's what I'm going to do. Check it out. As you can see, it works a lot better than my dull knife, that's for sure. Alright, we're almost in.
That's what she said.
About using the flint, just gotta be careful you don't cut yourself. Let's use this side. There we go. Okay. Oh, look at this. Let's see what that's picking up. Look at these pieces. Oh man. Some of these are rough. This isn't what you're gonna get, you know, if you were to buy from like Go Napping or one of those sites, but let me tell you, it's a lot cheaper. You can see some of that banding in there. Of course, we won't really know what it looks like. Oh, look at this, a nice little, I don't know if that's a percussion slab or if that just happened to come out that way, but it's a percussion slab now. Got a few boogers in there, but I can get that out. Oh yeah, check this out. This. I'm going to put this up to the light and see if I can see anything. If I can, I'll bring it back down. It's kind of hard to see in the dungeon here, but you can see there's going to be some color in there. Another good piece. These are the reason that these are all flat on the side. These are all end cuts from slabs. That's how I understand it anyway. So these are all going to have end cuts on them somewhere. There's a nice little piece. And it's hard to see, but when I tip it a little bit, I can see some color coming through. So I have a sneaking suspicion that I'll be able to get some color out of these. Yeah, you can see where the saw went in there. And I saw it on this side. Zoom out a little bit. So anyway, I won't bore you with this whole box. Boy, am I happy. A few more pieces. Some really big pieces too. I'm really excited about some of these really big honking pieces. I probably won't be able to do them justice, but I'll do my best. I'm going to pack up a good amount of this into this box over here for later use. Leave a little bit out for me to nap. Then maybe share a little bit of this as well. Alright, so here's the big pieces. And there's some smaller pieces over here that went into the tumbling bucket. I mean, this is still, I can still make points out of this. But for all practical purposes, here's the big stuff. Here's that one that has the banding in it. Well, there's a couple, but yeah, this one right here, you can see some too. Guess I should probably put the glove on so I don't cut myself. Some more banding here. So there's a lot of good color I can tell just kind of coming out of this. Alright, so there we go. This is enough rainbow obsidian. This should keep me busy for a little while. Alright guys, I hope everyone's doing awesome. Take care. Goodbye.